Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One and this is another mystery seed video. So you guys, here is a better look at the female flower of the mystery seed. Now I had to stabilize it because it was latching on to my eggplant and pepper, so I didn't want that. So I got her own little tiki torch so it can climb up. So do you have any idea what this could be? Let me know. Leave a comment down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching.